How to open up Lloyds Bank account for international student. Now the process is quite easy. Now you'll have to decide whether you will be using the application from your phone or from their website. But on my end, I am currently using Google Chrome and just head directly to Lloyds Bank official website. And once you're here, you will have four options above like personal, business, private banking, and international banking. And here, I'll just have to stay on personal and then switch over to the student account section right here. Now, once you click this one, there will be a popped up like this small box right here, and just directly click on ready to apply. Now, once you've clicked that, you'll have to use your phone to scan this QR code. This is to take a picture of your photographic ID to prove your identity. Now, once you have successfully done this one, just go ahead and click on continue and then just choose on appropriate answer right here. If you're an existing Lloyds Bank account customer, you can choose say yes or no. And then you already have a UK current account, you can choose whatever you want. And in here, you just have to fill out necessary information so that the process will be smooth and without any problems. And that's it. That's how basic and easy you can open up a Lloyds Bank account for international student.